Hey there, so how to install JaxReady app. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. So just double click to install it. And this is the app iReady. JaxReady brought to you by the Emergency Preparedness Division and Information Technology Division of the City of Jacksonville. It will help you monitor weather threats and plan for evacuation in the event of natural disasters. JaxReady provides access to current threat levels, weather reports, and wildfire updates, as well as up-to-the-minute news feeds for emergency preparedness and evacuation. So you can see some GPS functionality for locating your evacuation zone, current emergency activation level, weather and fire news. So yeah, that's basically the app you will need in in case of this emergency weather situations, and then you can just also use it in Spanish, and then you can uh, just have all the feeds, all the information. You can just go and see the weather just in the live feed. You can just see all the movements, and then that's basically the idea. And then you can also just call in the bottom right and reach out to evacuation services. So it's available in Spanish. Also, you can just use Google Translate here and translate Spanish, French, Deutsch, Portuguese, Russian, Filipino, Indian, Chinese, Vietnamese, and that's basically the app. I don't know if it's available on Android, but here I'm just seeing it on iOS.